Cash, and today we're dyeing my hair.
What color?
We're dyeing it to blue.
Look at this bleach job yesterday.
Compliments of mom.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the process started.
Was that offensive?
Alright, look at that beautiful
Why do you
rich
have all
blue
these other
color.
ones?
Yes.
What color is it? Let me see. Put the bottle up.
Ocean blue.
Right. Ocean blue. There you go.
Transformation time. Here we go, boy.
Wait. There's Turny.
Say hi. Need to let it sit and
Then wash it.
then wash it out, and you're gonna have some nice thick hair. Can I get it?
Turn. 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 Keep turning. Alright, it doesn't look like much now, but when he washes it. We'll introduce who's our new friend of the house.
Family.
I mean family.
He's
Look at that. Yeah. He's a fur ball, huh?
so sad.
I know.
Don't shake him too
Don't shake him too much. Alright.
Collar.
What's his color?
Duckies.
There's duckies.
Say hi.
Mochi. Alright, we can let him down. Slap this bad boy on there. On low.
Yummy, yummy.
And close this.
Alright. Gonna grill up some meat while this little guy, our little rascal, our little super furry star, gets his outside time. I am lazy day today. Didn't want to do my makeup, so I won't be making an appearance. I'll stay behind the camera. Gonna see what the kids are doing. What you guys doing?
Making some Play-Doh food.
Making some Play-Doh? Hey.
My name is Turny.
Yes, we know.
We're making Play-Doh food. I'm making the patty for
Yeah.
our hamburger. I'm supposed to make the fries.
If you guys want
Mochi, Kamille, say hi. What you doing back there, honey? We got her a bigger enclosure. We ordered it. It should be coming by Monday, so she's gonna be a happy girl because she's getting too big for her current cage. Say hi, Kamille. This little guy, oh my goodness.
Need some lettuce.
Oh, he's so cute. He loves his little bat toy. It was Rascal's toy, but Mochi fell in love with it. Mochi, oh.
Cash, the fries are coming out good.
What'd you make, Turny?
I made some French fries.
Oh,
Cash
yeah.
is working on the hamburger.
They do look like French fries.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that little burger. How adorable. Let me see. Oh, that's really good. Good
Hey,
job.
guys, it's like a gummy burger.
Oh, nice. Are you going to eat it?
No.
No? Okay. So say what's up, Kalee. This is Kalee, little Kalee Aloha. Say hi.
Camera?
Hi, honey. You little ham.
Yeah.
Jungle cat. Raskal. Jungle cat. What you doing, Raskal Daskal? My video skills are terrible. That's why usually he's the one mastering the camera, but today I guess it's me. Sorry for the craziness. Ooh,
That's
looking
what,
good.
Amy did too, and then like the last minute.
Dude, it's time for you to wash out your hair. Let me see, come here.
No!
Yep, we gotta
I need to find them.
Get you in there and wash this out. Come on, let's go get you in there. We'll be back.
Then where's the yellow?
Come on. So what did you make here?
I made barbecue sauce, ketchup, and I made the fries, Cash made the hamburger, and we both made the chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggies?
Yeah.
Good job.
So now I'm gonna make a side.
A side salad?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what these crazy kids are doing.
Oh, you're filming again. And I'm making dirt angels.
Oh my God. So he's making dirt angels, which is completely appropriate because he just took a freaking shower, you dirt bag. And this crazy one, what are you doing, little mama?
Right.
Oh, they're playing hopscotch.
Yeah, Auntie was right here.
Auntie was playing with you?
Okay, we both lose. Nope, messed up. What? Right. No! Okay.
So Auntie Jo drew, what did she draw, guys?
She said she drew She said,
I see you. Bum, bum, bum.
wait, what do you mean this way? No, you didn't.
Hip hop, scotch, hip hop, scotch.
Go.
Aye. So let's see the close-up of how your hair turned out. I'm not satisfied with it, so Mommy's gonna fix it in a little bit.
No, Turny.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna fix the do, okay?
No, Turny, that wasn't it.
Don't worry, bro.
No, it
I'm not
wasn't.
gonna leave you like that.
You didn't do it, okay? I saw you. You stepped on the wrong step. Got him.
She just comes flying in.
Lost. So, we're both. Hey, no!
Turny just biffed it. Are you okay? Are you okay? You got a boo-boo? What happened?
Can't touch this.
She did it! Say what?
Can't touch this.
Dorks.
Did I do it? Mom, did I do it?
What? Did you do what, honey?
So, you stay. No, I did it. Remember? I did it, right?
Sure.
So we both have
You
to
absolutely did it.
stay. We both